This is the Flip Class Guide to Quiz 10. Beginning music theory, we are going to introduce key signatures. A key signature is a collection of sharps or flats immediately to the right of the clef. Here's the clef in each line of music. So here's a collection of sharps, here's a collection of flats. These are both key signatures. The sharps or flats contained in the key signature indicate what pitches will be sharped or flatted throughout the entire song. So here we have an F sharp. Here we have a B flat. So all Fs in this song will be sharped. Imagine that it has a sharp right here because this key signature applies the sharp accidental to all Fs, all Cs, and all Gs in this line. So we don't have to write in the sharp next to each note. We just put it at the beginning here, and then that sharp will apply to all the notes in the song that lie in that space or line. Okay, so name the notes: A, B, C sharp, F sharp, D, E, F, E, C sharp, A. If a note is sharp or flat in the key signature, include a sharp or flat in the note's name. So A, B, C sharp, F sharp, etc. To review key signature: sharps or flats found next to the clef that apply to the whole piece of music. Accidentals, we did this last week. Individual sharps, flats, or naturals found in the music that only apply to a single measure. This natural only applies to this measure. This E is not E natural anymore, since this bar line resets all accidentals. So E natural, that's gone. Now this is now E flat again because the key signature tells us that all E's in the song will be flatted unless there's an accidental like this natural, which cancels it just temporarily until the bar line. So what is in the key signature? Two flats, B flat and E flat. What accidentals do you see? E natural, F sharp. What are the first two notes in the second measure? F, E flat. The order of sharps. The sharps always go in this order when writing a key signature: F sharp, C, G, D, A, E, B. Memorize it. They are always written in this order and in these places. Please copy this grouping of sharps here and here. It always is on F and then C. There's a saying: fat cats go down alleys eating birds. And that's the order you draw in. Fat cats on the C space, go down alleys on this second space, eating last space, birds. Every good boy, birds. And then copy that again, so twice. We're on to the second one, key signatures with sharps. Write the order of sharps: fat cats go down alleys eating birds. Remember, the sharps are always written in that order in key signatures. If you have one sharp, it will always be F sharp. If you have four sharps, they will always be F, C, G, D. Every key signature has both a major and a minor key. For now, we will only work with the major keys. The rule for finding the major key for a sharp key signature is easy. Find the last sharp. Here's the last one. So first one, last one. Go up half a step. So this is C sharp, half a step up is D. That is your major key. What is a key? A major key? It's a collection of pitches, and each song has its specific key. So if someone says, I'll sing this song in G major, they're singing a song with notes that are particular to G major, a collection of pitches. And if you want to figure out the collection of pitches, the name for that, that's called the major key. You go to the last sharp and go up half a step, and that's A major. Then this is G major. So name the major key for each. Here we have F sharp, go up half a step to find the answer to the major key. This is G. Half a step up from G sharp is A major. Half a sharp up, half a step up from this last sharp is E major. This is D major, B major, F sharp major, G major, D major, A major, and so on. And lastly, writing key signatures with sharps. Copy the order of sharps. Copy this here, copy this here. Remember the saying, fat cats go down alleys eating birds. To figure out how many sharps must be written in a key signature, from the name of the key, go down a half step. This is your last sharp. Find the sharp in the order of sharps and write all the sharps up to and including that one. So in G major, we go down a half step, it says, to F sharp. This is my last sharp. So I use the order of sharps, which is all fat cats go down alleys eating birds. So fat cats, G major, will have a step down as F sharp, and that's the last sharp, so I know this one is just F sharp. D major, fat cats, half a step down from D is C, so I know that D major has an F sharp for fat and a C sharp for cats. Half step below D is C sharp, and that's the last sharp. All right, for A major, a step down from A is G sharp. So fat cats go. So I know the A major has 3 sharps. All right, please do the rest on your own. Great work. Something that will help you is called the circle of fifths. Here's the chart. Please do your best to memorize it. See how many patterns you can find in this chart, and it will make understanding key signatures, major keys, and minor keys much easier. Great work.